What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Checking on the worms. So today is the 32nd feeding. I'm going to take a look to see. Uh-oh. Going to take a look to see how the worms are making out. The last feeding was right in the middle, and it was the pulp. There we go. Good worms. Man, that pulp did a great job bringing all those worms together. Okay, so they still have a little bit of that pulp left. So, I think, and I did feed them a little bit more than last time. So I think I'm gonna just go a little easier today. I did have some egg cartons, so I went ahead and just ripped some of them apart. And like I said, I still have a bunch of that pulp food from the juicer. So probably about half to a third of what I fed the last time. But as you've seen, it did a great job bringing them up. So next I'm going to add the ground eggshell. That's grit for the worms. Because they have the cropping gizzard, no teeth, they need something to help break down the food a little bit for them as they're moving around. And then I like to give them some worm chow. It's just a little bit more food for them. They can attack the worm chow first, and as the food continues to break down, then go after the food in the middle of the bin. Okay, I'm actually interested to see how the old feeding tray is looking. I'm seeing a few worms up on top. I'm actually not going to go ahead and disrupt this one, but I want to look to see the lower bin. Yeah, so see the castings and a little bit of moisture's coming through. So, and that's basically what I did the last time. Just kind of knocked the castings down into the bedding. And no worm should really be down here just yet. It's just way too dry. And you can see this was all stuck to the bottom of the middle tray, which is now the pre-harvest tray. So if you guys have any questions, don't forget, drop it down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.